Greetings, chemists! Today we're going to be looking at some different properties of different elements and seeing what we can learn about them from that. So what I'm going to be doing today is showing you a series of elements. I'll tell you what the symbols are, and you'll need to look up those names on the periodic table. And then we're going to be testing a few different things. We're going to be testing their luster, so you're going to look to see if they're shiny or not. We're going to be testing their malleability, that's whether or not we can bend them, or if they're very brittle. And then we're going to be testing conductivity. In order to do that, we're going to be using this conductivity tester here, where it will light up if something is conducting electricity because it completes a circuit. Last but not least, we're going to be testing whether or not these different elements are magnetic. So I have a little magnet here that we're going to be testing it with. So as you watch this video, you're going to complete the table in the Go Formative down below here. Let's go ahead and get started. So our very first element we're going to be looking at is Al, capital A, lowercase l. So see if you can find that on the periodic table. And let's check first to see, what do you think? Is this shiny? Is it malleable or brittle? Next up, does it conduct electricity? Let's see. And last but not least, is it magnetic? Okay. Our next element is C. The letter C, capital C, right here. You've probably seen this one before. So we're going to be testing, first of all, its luster. What do you think? Is it shiny or dull? Next up, is it bendable or is it brittle? You can kind of take off some pieces there. Next up, does it conduct electricity? And finally, is this thing magnetic? Doesn't look. Okay. Next up, we have the element Cu. That's capital C, lowercase u, right here. So first, what do you think? Shiny or dull? Next, can we bend it, or is it brittle? Then, what do we think? Does it conduct electricity? And finally, is this magnetic? Next up, we have the element Fe. That's capital F and lowercase e. So this one here, take a look. Do you think it's shiny or dull? This one's a little hard, but can we bend it? Let's see, does it conduct electricity? And last but not least, is it magnetic? Okay, next up we have Mg. That's capital M, lowercase g, right here. So, what do we think? Is it shiny or dull? Can I bend it? Does it conduct electricity? And then last but not least, is it magnetic? Next up we have Ni, that's capital N, lowercase I. So take a look, see if you think if it is shiny or dull. Let's see if I can bend it. I wonder if this conducts electricity. And, oh, is it magnetic? Ooh, this one's fun. Next up we have capital S, lowercase I, Si. So let's see what this one's all about. Take a look. See if you think that is shiny or dull. Is it malleable? I can't really bend it. I'm also having trouble like getting pieces off of it. Let's see if it conducts electricity. And last but not least, I wonder if it's magnetic. Okay, next up we have this yellow stuff. This is just capital S, just S, that's all it is. Take a look, see if you think if this is shiny or dull. Let's see if I can bend it. Oh, oopsies. I accidentally broke a piece off. Ooh, smells bad. Let's see if we can conduct electricity with this. And finally, is this thing magnetic? Okay, we've only got two more. The next one is Sn. That's capital S, lowercase n. Here. Okay, let's see first if it can bend. Next up, does it conduct electricity? And finally, is this magnetic? Okay, last one, Zn. It's capital Z, lowercase n. So take a look, see if you think if it is shiny or dull. Can I bend it? Wonder if this conducts electricity. And last but not least, is this magnetic? Okay, thanks for watching. Go ahead and finish the rest of the questions and have a wonderful rest of your day.